Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vicky here, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, then do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and like this video. So basically, guys, today is the day 3 of my free training on how to make six figure in 90 days or less. Okay, so guys, if you want to access this complete training, then what you gotta do is simply go ahead and click on my profile pic here, and then click on playlist. And here you can see the playlist of six figures. Here you can see day 1, day 2, and I'll be making day 3, day 4 video, and I'll be uploading in this playlist. So you can simply go to this playlist and you can access this whole training for free. Okay, so if you haven't created your account yet, what you're gonna do is simply click on this link here. Okay, and you will land on this business. Okay, so what you gotta do is simply scroll down at the bottom. Okay, and here either you can sign up for the $25 or you can sign up for the $125 option. Okay, you can sign up of any one of these two options, it doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, now let's go to the back office of this program and let's see what you need to do step by step, everything. Okay, so this is the affiliate zone here, and here is 4 steps. As you can see here, step 1 of 4. So since this is day 3, I am assuming that you have already completed these 4 steps, but if you haven't, simply go through step 1 to 4. Okay, so in this training I'm gonna show you how you can connect your domain with landing page and how you can set up your landing page. Okay, so first what you got to do is click on sign up for the affiliate program and create your affiliate dashboard, and then click here which is login to Samcart. Okay, so if I click on login to Samcart here, I will see something like this here. Okay, the HBA affiliate dashboard. Now if I click here, I will land here. Okay, this is the Samcart affiliate dashboard. So these are your affiliate links. Okay, now let me show you where to paste these affiliate links so you can start doing promotion. Okay, so now if I go back to the back office of HBA funnel builder, and if I scroll here, what you need to do is you need to go to step 3. Okay, so this is the step 3, as you can see here. Now you will see here login to funnel builder. Okay, so you can simply click on login to funnel builder, or what you can do is you can just go here HBA funnel builder and you can click funnel builder here. Okay, so either way you just have to go to the 3rd step, which is the funnel builder system. Okay, so if I click here login to funnel builder, as you can see here, I will land here. Okay, so let me log into the funnel builder. So guys, this is the funnel builder where you will get your done for you landing page. Okay, you don't have to create the landing page. Okay, so if it's the first time, you will also see a landing page something like this on your back office. So guys, what you got to do is you got to simply click on here. Okay, the funnels, and if this is your first time, then you will only see 2 pages here. Okay, as you can see here is 4 pages, but you will see only 2 pages because you will be the first time here on this page. So what you're going to do is click on add new step here. Okay, then click on pages, and here scroll down. Okay, and click on Fastlane affiliate here. Okay, and then scroll up here, you will see this page. Okay, so click select, let's name it Vicky Kumar 2. Okay, you can name it anything, it doesn't matter. This is basically for your preference. Now click on add here. So as you can see, this done for you landing page has come to your dashboard, right? You didn't have to make this landing page. So now what you got to do is you need to connect your affiliate link with this landing page. Okay, so go here. Okay, and click this part. Okay, let me show you. Click this part. Okay, so if you click on this part here, what will happen is you will see this setting button. Okay, click on this setting button. Now do you see this? It says thank you page. Okay, so what you're gonna do is we will go to the Samcart affiliate dashboard and this link, all-in-one $25 business. Let me show you here. So you have to copy this link, okay, all-in-one $25 business. So you have to copy this link, okay. Let me copy here, and then you will go to the funnel builder, okay, and click on this this black bar, okay, and you can see here URL. So put the URL here, your affiliate link here that you just copied, okay. Put that affiliate link here in this box and then click on open in same tab, okay, and then click select. So guys, now click off this box. So now what will happen is your affiliate link has been connected with the landing page. So like if I click here, let me click on save first. So now if I click here, what you will see, this is the landing page. Now let me just test it. Let me put my name here, okay, and let me put a old email. Okay, now let me click on here. Now you will see that we are going to the actual affiliate link, okay. So it means that your landing page is working properly and you are getting redirected to the affiliate link, okay. So this is how you copy your affiliate link from Samcart and then you put inside your done for you landing page, okay. Now since you have connected your landing page and affiliate link, what you got to do is you got to connect a domain, okay, a unique domain. So to do that, what you will be doing is click on this setting part here, okay. You will see this domain option here. So click on the domain option here, okay, and then click on connect an existing domain. So this green button you have to click here, okay. Now what we will do is we will go on the Namecheap and we will buy a domain that we can connect with this funnel builder, okay. So guys, this is the Namecheap, okay, and what you're gonna do is click on domain here, okay, and then click on domain name search, and you have to buy a domain, okay. So like let's say you buy my 25 bucks pitch.com, okay. So you have to buy an easy and simple domain here, okay. Like if you see this domain, like I just typed my 25 bucks beach.com. So if it's available, you can buy it, okay. It will cost whatever $10 approx, or you can name it like start 25 buck business.com, okay. So let's see if this is available. So yeah, it's available as well. So you can simply buy this. It will cost $10 or something. Anyway, now this is the domain that I'm gonna connect with my funnel builder, okay. So if this is my domain here, my 25 bucks business.com, so what we will do is we will click on manage here, okay, and then click on advanced DNS here, okay. And here you can see if I scroll here, you can see CNAME record and URL record, okay. So just go ahead and delete them, okay. Delete them, both of these here, okay. Now what you will do is you will copy your domain, whatever domain you have, okay, just copy it and then go to the funnel builder and enter your domain name here, okay. Make sure you delete the space, okay, and then click connect domain. Now what will happen is you will see this option, okay, this thing, host name, record and value. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this host name. Like you can see record type A, right, record type A. So just go to the Namecheap, okay, and under the domain this one, click add a new record and record type A record, okay. And here you can see host name, this one. So copy this, okay, and just paste here, okay. Now you will see this value this thing. So copy here, okay, and paste the value part here, okay. Set this TTL to automatic and click on this tick mark, okay. Now one more thing here is you can see record type CNAME. So we need to set up the CNAME record as well. So simply we'll go to the Namecheap again and this add new record, click on click on CNAME record here, okay, and then here www. So we're gonna copy this and we will put this here under the host, okay. Now here it says whatever value it says, just copy that, okay, just copy that, okay, just copy that and put it here, okay, and then this is automatic and then click on tick mark. So yeah, it can take up to 5 minutes to 10 minutes and then after that you will just ignore this, okay, and it will automatically get connected to your funnel builder here, okay. So it can take 5 minutes, sometime it can take 10 minutes, it depends, okay. So yeah guys, this is how you connect your domain with the funnel builder, okay. So as you can see here, my domain is connected now, okay. So guys, now if I refresh my screen here, okay, and then you will see that my domain is connected. So like if I click here, my domain is opening properly, okay. So this is how you connect your domain with your landing page, okay. So guys, today you learned that how to get your landing page up and running and how you connected your domain from the Namecheap to the funnel builder, okay. So this is how we did this step, okay, and in the tomorrow's training what we're gonna do is we will connect get response, okay. We will set the email autoresponder. So like this is the get response, okay, it sends emails automatically to your leads, okay. So what we're gonna do tomorrow training is we will set this get response and we will set at least 30 days of email sequence and those email will go automatically and that's how you're gonna get the sales. So let's say today your leads saw your emails, okay, and he didn't sign up. Then tomorrow his day was bad, he had argument with the boss and he was like, okay, I'm done with this job, I want some change in my life, and he saw your email and he will sign up that day, okay, and boom, you will make the $100 commission on your affiliate dashboard, okay. So for tomorrow we're gonna set the email autoresponder. For now just go ahead, log into your funnel builder, get your landing page up and then connect that landing page with the funnel with the Namecheap domain, okay, and your funnel and your landing page will be ready to go, okay. So yeah guys, go ahead, do these steps, okay, and from tomorrow we will set the get response. So this is the day 3. I'll see you tomorrow.